Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Discovery Plus on Sony TV. Quick guide step by step clearly. Begin by turning on your Sony TV. Ensure your TV is connected to the internet. Press the home button on your remote to navigate to the home screen. Scroll down to find the Google Play Store. Select the Google Play Store to open it. In the search bar, type Discovery Plus. Once Discovery Plus appears, select it. Choose the install option to download the app. Wait for the installation to complete. After the app is installed, select Open to launch Discovery Plus. If prompted, sign in with your existing account or create a new account. Once logged in, you will see an activation code on your screen. Now, take note of the activation code. On another device, open a web browser. Visit the website provided, typically discoveryplus.com/activate. Enter the activation code into the designated field. Click on the Activate button to confirm. Your Sony TV will refresh, and you'll have access to Discovery Plus. Enjoy streaming your favorite shows on Discovery Plus. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.